The drone world has entered a new era, and in 2025, DJI is leading it once again. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just another compact drone. It's a bold statement of how far portable aerial filmmaking has evolved. With next-level intelligence, refined design, and unreal flight control, this is more than a camera in the sky. It's the future of creative freedom. From the first moment you unfold it, the Neo 2 feels premium and purposeful. The carbon-infused body offers strength without adding weight, staying under the 250 green mark to remain travel-friendly and compliant with most drone laws. Its new aerodynamic frame and quieter propellers make every flight smoother and stealthier, while improved ventilation keeps performance stable during longer sessions. Whether you're flying over mountain ridges, beaches, or crowded cities, the Neo 2 feels agile, confident, and ready for anything. But the real magic lies in its camera. DJI has equipped the Neo 2 with a stunning 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of 5.4K video at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS. The result? Crystal clear details, incredible dynamic range, and beautifully rich colors powered by DJI's new Cinecore 4 image processor. It captures true-to-life HDR footage and 12-bit RAW photos, giving creators cinematic quality without carrying heavy gear. With an f1.7 aperture and refined noise reduction, low-light shots finally look natural, from sunset landscapes to glowing cityscapes at night. DJI's signature color science also gets a major upgrade with the new cinematic color profile, producing more accurate tones and contrast straight out of the camera. Combine that with hybrid stabilization and you get buttery smooth video, even in breezy conditions. For vloggers, travelers, and professionals alike, this is a true take-anywhere, film-everywhere tool. Performance-wise, the DJI Neo 2 is in a class of its own. Thanks to improved brushless motors and an upgraded ESC system, it offers faster acceleration and more precise handling. In sport mode, it can reach up to 60 km/h, yet remains remarkably stable thanks to FlightCore AI, DJI's adaptive algorithm that continuously analyzes wind and positioning for ultra-smooth control. Battery life sees a solid improvement too, with up to 40 minutes of flight time per charge and around 35 minutes in real-world use. And with the Fly More combo, you can enjoy over 100 minutes of total airtime, perfect for long shoots. Flight noise has dropped by nearly 30%, making it ideal for filming wildlife or quiet environments. The DJI Fast Charge Hub also reduces downtime, bringing the batteries back to full power in under an hour. When it comes to intelligence, the Neo 2 is smarter than ever. ActiveTrack 6.0 now predicts subject movement and maintains smoother tracking even when obstacles briefly block the view. The new QuickShots 2.0 adds creative moves like Orbit Pro and Rocket Glide, letting solo creators film cinematic scenes with one tap. Waypoint 3.0 allows you to program flight paths with customizable altitude and speed, great for mapping, real estate, or cinematic time-lapses. Gesture Control 2.0 lets you fly hands-free for selfies and quick videos, while in-app editing tools now let you color grade and export clips instantly from your phone. Connectivity also receives a major upgrade with O4 transmission, offering a 12-kilometer range and crystal-clear 1080p live video at 60 FPS. Whether you're flying in open landscapes or signal-heavy cities, transmission remains stable and lag-free. The optional controller with a built-in HDR touchscreen makes flying even more intuitive, while the DJI Fly app syncs your footage and flight data seamlessly through cloud storage and high-speed USB-C transfer. Safety has always been at the core of DJI's design philosophy, and the Neo 2 doubles down on that. The 6-direction obstacle sensing system and APIS 6.0 ensure full 360-degree awareness, rerouting flight paths automatically when hazards appear. With remote ID and enhanced geofencing, compliance is built in, and Smart Return to Home guarantees safe landings even in low battery situations. The Precision Landing feature ensures it touches down within inches of its takeoff spot, reliable and worry-free. Now, let's talk value. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to launch between $699 and $899, with the Fly More combo offering premium accessories for around $1099. That positions it perfectly between entry-level drones and high-end prosumer models like the Air 3 or Mavic 3 Pro. It's designed for creators who want professional results without spending thousands or dealing with bulky rigs. And in that sense, it's hard to find anything more complete in 2025. As for release timing, leaks suggest DJI will unveil the Neo 2 around March or April 2025. right before the summer season, the perfect window for travelers and content creators to upgrade. Pre-orders should open shortly after the reveal, with availability through global retailers and DJI's online store. So, who's the DJI Neo 2 really for? Pretty much anyone who loves to create. Whether you're a travel vlogger capturing landscapes, a filmmaker adding dynamic aerial shots, or a beginner exploring creative flight, this drone adapts to your skill and ambition. It's powerful yet approachable, compact yet cinematic, the perfect blend of accessibility and performance. In the end, the DJI Neo 2 isn't just a small upgrade. It's a major leap forward. With its 1-inch sensor, advanced flight intelligence, longer battery life, and futuristic safety features, it's setting a new gold standard for compact drones. It's proof that you don't need a massive setup to capture massive moments. For 2025, this could easily be the most exciting portable drone on the market, and maybe even the one that redefines creative flight altogether. The DJI Neo 2 shows us one simple truth: when innovation meets imagination, the sky is no longer the limit.